See the pause button?
Yep. Okay.
You don't film the whole thing?
Finished
Like
product. Me and Sean doing some landscaping. Early Birds lawn maintenance / landscaping. As you can see, we've done the sod. Just installed. Put in a Schubert tree. Got grass that put in here. A couple shrubs here. Rose glow. Forgot what the other one's called. And putting in the sod here. Some more sod coming in. Professional style. All this here. The weed blanket underneath for the rocks. And all this sod here has been installed. A couple of pieces we gotta fix up here. Like this piece here is getting a little bit moldy. Gonna have to replace that there. And other than that, the rest should be alright, man. Just down the side here. Down the side here. The grass at the side. They need to water this. They can't neglect it. Must be watered. Right. Again, this is our creation, what we did. The truck here, this is my pimp ride. This is my truck. This is what makes me the money. Early Birds. This is my truck here, man. Blood, sweat, and tears to buy this baby. It's my baby right here. Early Bird out.